Hey, what's up, guys? So today I wanted to make this video to show you how you guys can check out a whole bunch of hidden TV shows and movies on Netflix. It's basically a hidden menu that they have, and the way that you find all these shows is through using basically numeric codes. So the way that we're going to be able to do this is basically if you go anywhere like on your browser, just type in Netflix secret codes and you'll see a bunch of stuff will pop up. Like these are some of the secret codes there. Um, all of these things are the same. They basically give you all the same listings, so it doesn't matter which one you click on. I'm not here to promote any of this, but for the sake of this video, I'll click on this independent article. And basically, what it is, it's like a whole bunch of subsections of the sections that they already have. So if they have like, comedy section, they're gonna have like funny comedies, stupid comedies, dark comedies, you know what I mean? Like even more like broken down in depth. And there's also some shows that you can find that it wouldn't be so easy to find unless you use these codes. Now, disclaimers, depending on where you are in the world, obviously it's not going to look the same when I search or when you search. And also some things might not be available, vice versa, for like, say, if you're in the States versus like Europe. But as you saw, I try to click on that independent article. It's telling me I'm not a subscriber, so I'm not. So I'm just going to go on this other website that I found here, second one in line. And these are some of the codes, as you can see here. So it has action and adventure, right? But then it breaks it down into like Asian action movies, classic action and adventure, action comedies, action thrillers. So these are the codes that you're going to need in order to find whatever you're looking for. So let's get right into it. For example, if I want to find like anime action, the code is 2653. So we're going to go here, click on search, and type in 2653. As you can see, it gives us a whole bunch of anime stuff, a whole bunch of options. So that's basically how you do it. Just for the sake of the video, I'll try to find another one. I don't know. Let's go to classic comedies. 31694. So 31694. So boom, it gives me, like Space Jam. Obviously, some older movies. I don't know why it's throwing these at the top, but it is. So maybe it's not very well based algorithm wise, but I mean, as you can see, it does what it's supposed to do. You know what I mean? Um, that is pretty much how you do it. You just basically go on like whatever Google Chrome or Firefox, whatever you use. Type in Netflix secret codes. You're gonna find one of these articles, and they give you all the codes here. Now, there's one thing that I wanted to say, but I'm having a brain fart. So I don't remember exactly what I wanted to say. Oh, how we were searching here. There's also a way that you can do it by like in the search in the browser here. You can type in like netflix.com. I believe it's like dash browse dash genre and then you put in the code, right? But I find this a lot easier just going to the search bar here and inputting it. So yeah, this is basically Netflix's little, I guess, secret menu. It's not so secret, but you know what I mean. Not a lot of people like know about it or utilize it. But yeah, this is how you do it. And just like I was saying, there it is. That's exactly what I was talking about. You type in browse dash genre and then you put in the code, right? But like I said, I find this personally a lot easier to do it. So yeah, that's how you access all these shows. I hope it helps you guys out. Maybe find some hidden gems. Let me know how it works out for you. And make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. All right, peace.